Come on, let's go. 1.
Oh, wait, no. Yeah, wait, just.
So you have 3k to do.
Hey? They are kilometres squared.
Yep, solid. How far is that?
About 3k if you ask
Mate,
me.
all in a day's work.
All straight up hill too. Gonna make like a little movie out of it.
Yeah, for sure.
Difference between the map you've got and the map I've got here.
Mountains?
Look at this.
Give us the keys.
Look at that.
Show us the drawing.
Not quite finished, but it's something.
Yeah,
You know?
that's looking pretty good.
Thank you. That sounded quite hesitant.
Nah, I was being genuine.
Where's yours?
Look at that.
Wait, you actually made like an easy one.
Yeah, well, why wouldn't ya?
We made it as easy as we could.
We've really made it.
So therefore our contour lines are pretty symmetrical.
Same with the 2 other peaks.
You can see we've got our little spurs here, and then the valleys are here.
So looking for a lot of like experience.
It's warmed up, so it's fine. Is that a good thing?
Joe in the wild, getting leaves.
Actually, they're not as bad.
Oh, that's so good.
The guy that'll do it with like 10 minutes away.
Okay, point to your direction of travel arrow. Between.
And see stick, man like stick.
I'll do a wee limbo.
That's a
Take half the bush with you.
I think I did it a bit tight.
Like, can you just watch her up on her phone? So like together. She's probably got stick. Like, how cooked is it? Slightly intrusive.
Oh no, it's not.
Put his fingers on the stove.
I use some
Cut ones already.
Would carry their fire. So they would get a big bracket fungus and just get it.
You know what? I'll do a portrait of you, Joe.
Oh god. Do your worst.
Oh, I'll just use it.
It's gonna be like a big blob of shit.
He's not even looking up at you. Like
You're just drawing a shit.
Don't you start.
You have to present it to the group.
It's the reveal.
What is it?
What the fuck is that? It's Chub.
Oscar, gives a look.
Hey there, running down through the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your last man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Yeah, it repeats, I think.
Yeah. Hey there, running down through the rip.
So like 3 steps back per stick I threw. Fuck off, bro.
Show us your pillow. Good sleep.
Shit.
Then I come to my map. Ridgeline. Probably it's starting to get a little bit steeper.
Yeah.
Soon, so we're, I'd say, on this edge. And we're looking across the water to this peninsula. Yeah, so ridges
video
go
or a
between
photo?
peaks
Yeah, video.
and
It's ready for
spurs
photo.
go from high to low. Yeah?
Send it.
Yeah, so sometimes we're doing that, and other times it's just like...
Being annihilated out here. In the wilderness.
I think the trees are
Yeah.
speaking to us.
You go in its natural habitat.
Yeah.
Captain Navigator.
First day on the job, bro. What can I say?
He took me out. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, up the top. Yeah. But then we're...
Hold on, bro. They're going quick. Jenny, go, come on. Yeah. Joe. Joe. Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Morning. Alright.
Got any hazards coming up in front of us?
Just land.
How far ahead?
Probably 200 metres.
Ethan, mate, first day on the job.
First day on the job is a jibber.
How's it been?
I'm pretty much a veteran at this point.
When we had loads of
A couple
wind,
tacks under my
Under your belt?
now.
First day sailing, man. How good.
How was it?
Look, you know, we got it humming for a while there. Up there at the jib where Ethan is, though, that was tough.
Yeah, well, he's already had an interview later.
Being a jibber, it's just one of those jobs. It has to be done.
Yeah.
No, it's not always nice, not always pretty, but it's
Just gotta be done, eh?
Some can, some can't type
But
thing.
it takes a special type of person.
Yeah.
shout out Hugo. He
Oh,
had a
no.
little jib action.
Oh, no. Shout out Alex here.
Alex had a little bit jib action.
Alex was pretty fine.
Yeah. Bella, how was the first day on the sea?
Good stuff.
Yeah.
I've done plenty of delegating.
Lots of you know, that's
Joe
one of your
delegated
stars
all
today. One of your stars is your delegation.
here, see we've got these twists. Yeah? So
Oh,
when you
800.
put the soft shackle back in here, try and
Nicely
make
done.
sure that this is only on the belt.
That is nice! Is it actually? Is it like...
Oh, he's
Yeah.
going, catch yourself a jellyfish, mate.
Woo!
Oh shit, we've lost the rung. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yup.
Yeah, buddy.
Pulled up for the night.
Well, expectations to live up to with the swimmer's dive, right?
Hey, how far down can you dive? If you catch the jellyfish, you get
Oh, shit. That was...
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
I think we're in the way. We're in the way.
Landscape portrait. Alright.
Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
The oxford back at home.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Now this is what's going on?
Oh, we vlogging or something.
Yo, am I a vlogger?
Let's get it, I guess.
Woo!
Yeah, man.
Come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, I might hop in.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, the tricky part is getting
Well,
What's
I'm
your
going
name? Like how it's like... Oh my god.
I've recorded it. Some scroggies. Give me some scroggies.
Oh, mate, wait your turn. Wait your turn.
Yes, sir.
There we are.
Let me
Scrogging.
steal all the chockies.
Hey, oh my god.
Yep.
Can I get this?
Nah,
Season 2?
you're retired, mate.
Wait, what the troll?
What were you thinking, Oscar?
Yep, tell us.
Let us hear you out.
Right now we're in Romero Bay, that purple circle there, and I'm thinking we can go along here.
Mate, Jimmy, have a look
So we did about 12, 13 nautical miles, and the boat ride to Papa.
Hey, then we've got...
I'm gonna do the bird during the day. Ship's Cove and the Bird Sanctuary.
Ship's Cove and the bird.
Because I don't
that the one?
And then he goes, yeah, the dude was like, why are you looking at my undies? And I'm like, why the fuck you dropping your pants?
He was like still getting changed in front of us. It was like, oh my gosh.
Oh my
So that continued his conversation. Walks around the corner. Fucking off. We go, oh yeah, what's Mr. Chef doing? He's fucking in his undies, like, fucking being pretty much naked. What the fuck?
Okay, on the bright side, that's just the other kind of nut phrase.
Marine reserve, so they'll have beautiful birds. There'll probably be some nice fish around and stuff. And then coming down to Papakura Bay, which is an outward bound mooring spot,
Papakura, mate.
and
To stay there.
to stay there for the night.
Stay the night.
And that'll be about 20-ish nautical miles.
all of that. We should like fucking real tired.
I remember at the start, I ended up like, oh, do you? Oh.
Good spot for it, eh? See you, Joe. shit.
That is somehow true.
Okay, Jimmy!
Oh, look at that.
Now you can trim it. Yeah!
Yeah.
Hell. So crazy.
I don't even want to look at myself actually.
You need trimmer. My mustache. You reckon?
Yeah.
Why?
Wait,
Trim the bottom. Yeah, trim your mustache, mate.
Yours grown back. We can either go for
Bro,
I forget you had a mustache.
You want to check your mustache, Bella?
I need to shave mine.
How's yours looking?
Wait, give us way.
Oh, mate, it is pitiful. Pitiful.
How long have you had Put it on speaker. Nah, turn it on. Put it on speaker.
Yeah.
Yep, Max here.
Okay, could you pass the phone to Nina, please?
Yep. Here we go, Nina.
Take over the tiller.
Hi there. Joe?
Hello, Nina.
Oh.
On the tiller needs to keep the boat
Yeah.
behind us.
Doing my best.
Get someone else on the
Someone-
tiller.
Until
someone dies.
Holy, look at the white caps out there.
Ah, that's gonna be a fun ride. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Oscar, good.
Yeah, but we don't have any chips.
Yeah.
You don't have to use chips.
Like it's like it's
just
my
five.
own thing of it.
Did you enjoy your dip?
It was kind of mid.
Are you serious?
No, it was great. It was honestly life changing. That stuff, right? What's it called? Kiwi dip.
Is that the corned beef?
Yeah.
You'll smell it?
I'm flying, Joe.
So.
I mean, Ronnie.
Alex, do you want to try?
Oh, they're cute. Oh, I like them. Really suit me.
It would be quite funny.
Pippa. Yo.
Jim's gogs for a bit longer.
Really?
They look good.
Guys, how close are we
Show us?
to shore?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1.
I'm pulling this back.
I'm gonna land on you, Ethan.
And now you're gonna slowly bring that to the back to a...
Nice, and that puts us out of the way of that guy.
Oh, there we are. Do it again. That was working. Whee! DIY filter. Wow. This is what I see, folks. Rubies, I see what you see.
I can see myself.
Oh shit.
Problems.
That guy was like, no, it's gonna be fine.
Okay.
Alright.
Ready?
Diving in 3, 2,
1, go!
Pull it.
And then you want to do that?
All the way out. All the way out.
Yeah, I'll get down. Yeah, that's how you try, baby.
Nice work.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Okay, what point is that supposed to be?
1. Tacking.
I got this.
See if this works.
What's it?
Might just have.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. I don't know why it hasn't been.
Cheers, boss.
Been sailing on the open ocean for 21 days now.
Oh, no.
So you're looking a bit worse for wear.
Has anyone seen in the cold?
Oh,
Oh, little phone call mid-race.
We're gonna, on this line we're gonna be passing that.
Sorry, Joe, we're mid-race here.
Various chance, mate.
Hello.
I'm just checking that you understand which way round you've got to go round this buoy.
Yeah. And, I mean, there's a little bit of wind, so if the wind drops down, it's going to stop.
How are you enjoying your job?
I don't have a job. All I do is put that up and you want something.
nice.
Did you take one?
Yep. I'm taking a video.
Oh, you're taking a video?
Oi, oi. Let's go for another run.
I thought the boy was behind me.
Little hot chocolate station.
I always do that, man. I do the mistake. So it works. Yeah.
This is what dreams are made of. Oh my days.
We've already got 2. We've already got 2, so they're yours.
Look at my little. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Look at this.
It's even my.
Oh, hell no. East, mate, where are we going?
Oh, we're off to the solo, mate. Oh,
Hey, it's looking... Yeah? Go
3
on.
days in the bush.
Yeah?
Not fun.
It's looking pretty sunny the next couple of days, isn't it?
Actually, fun fact for you. 90 to 120 millilitres of rain over the next 8 hours.
In 8 hours, are you taking the piss?
You're capturing the enthusiasm of the group.
Everyone with their poop buckets? Guys, where are we off to?
Solo.
Fucking solo, man.
How much rain's coming?
90 to 120.
Oh,
I was contemplating that, but then I'm bloody right here, mate.
alright. Can we get a quick pre-game interview?
Pre-game interview.
How are we feeling?
Today we're gonna go work hard today. The team's looking great.
Yep. What are those buckets for, mate?
Half the team must fill the bucket. I expect lots of sloshiness down there.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Here's my home for the next 4 days. Got a trench in there. It's been working an absolute charm. I've got a little bloody river going in there, mate. Not too shabby. Oh, fuck. Oh, my days almost stacked it. And yeah, not a bad view. So, this is it. 4 days worth of food. 3 apples. Some fucking raw carrots, because I mean, why not? 3 carrots. Oh, we're living. That was a little bit. This guy might be from Asia, maybe. Just Grogan. Normally has chocolate in it, but no chocolate, unfortunately. And 3 flapjack cookie thingamajiggies. Anyway, I'm gonna do some journaling because I've got nothing else to do. Day 2. Today is the 15th. No idea of the time. And the ground's hard, and yeah, it's not meant to be easy, and it's not. So yeah, that makes sense. It's day 67 of surviving out here in the wilderness on my own. I'm out of food, out of water. I hear some goats around. I'm going to catch them, cook them up, put them on the fire. And I was thinking a nice little vintage Pinot Noir to wash them down. I'm going fucking goat hunting, boys. I can hear a goat. I think it's this way. Oh, it's coming from over there. Fuck. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Such a shit. Whoa, how's it going? Didn't see you there. We're in the New Zealand wilderness. As you can see, I've gone a bit crazy. No, tried going after him, but the little bugger was too quick for me. Hey folks, welcome to Jimbo Slice's Outdoor Wilderness Solo podcast in the middle of butt nowhere, New Zealand. Today, join me, we have my lovely friend, Monte Carlo. And today we'll be talking about the last 2 weeks' political and economic situation, which we have no fucking idea of because we're no contact. So yeah, anyway, passing over to old Monte Carlo here. How do you feel about the whole situation, mate? Anyway, that's all we have time for today, folks. The rain is starting to pick up and the camera's going to get wet, so I better run, turn the shit off, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember, stay slicey, boys. We're done. Done the solo trip. It's been dropped off on the 14th, it's now the 17th. Who knows what adventure is next. We've got a couple predictions, maybe a 3-day hike, maybe the kayaking, maybe ropes course, who knows. Solo trip over and out.
Passing a bowl.
I want to do a great start to the day.
Nina, go the other way.
Yeah. Petra, is that you there?
I'll move out of the way. Excellent.
No, that's
Blooming out. Let me see that tip. It's got to have a good give from there, eh? Get on the tip.
Trying to find out.
We get the out. Oh, wow. Oh my god.
Holy shit, you don't like heights.
How you going, Jim? You good?
No, I don't. Yeah, I know. I'm looking at this.
Wait, where are we going tomorrow?
You're going to get a little.
Okay, I'm just
Tell me with my fingers on it.
good angle.
That one over there?
Yeah.
Fuck off.
Is my finger on the tip?
Hold up.
Finger's not even.
Am I rubbing the tip?
You're not even.
Higher.
Is the knob?
Higher a bit. Oh, to the left. Up right.
There we
Oh, scratching the knob.
Yeah, it's a bit alright.
Never said anything so
There's a little geese over there. That one's looking burnt as well.
You know what would be great? A little one-pot wonder. That's what we need in this place.
Hey, little shit you mean?
Oh my god.
Scoop everything out, man.
Show us? Oh shoot.
You know what?
Smells lovely.
We're bloody cooking dinner. They can deal with it, right?
We got some crispy bits in here.
Who would you do like that?
Oh, putting like slow.
Yeah.
And we may not rely on the
That sounds
I don't know if anyone likes
Oh, well, I'm not going now.
Yeah, exactly. You can't.
Marshmallow I've ever tasted, Jim.
Jim's bloody fantastic.
Don't thank me. Thank my auntie.
What's this? English, squid game.
And then the bloody translators, bloody delayed.
It's even actually good.
Yeah, because I was going scuba diving a lot, and then bloody, and then that led on to season 2.
Ah, you gotta watch some. Did you guys watch the one where they put like real?
Wait, this is pretty mint.
We're almost there. Inside only. Where are we going?
No, mate, fucking.
Oh no, it's just
Oh,
down in my journal, like.
yeah, candid.
Yeah, do that.
You're having some real happy thoughts in the journal.
Wait, what's those like?
One line.
Like natural. gal.
Yeah, boy! Yeah, I'm good. Hey, Ruben, how's the cooking? Hey, you go. Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, it's good,
Come here, Jim.
What a gun, bro. How you been?
Pretty shit.
How are your feet going?
They're good now. They're good.
Cook, take a look. It's your demise. It's time for us to rise. So let me summarize. This is your downfall, just like the downpour on your 3-day solo, Marco and Polo. Because I told y'all, you're going to fall yo low, low, low. But this lyrical flow won't stop, can't stop, because I just can't flop. I must succeed in feeding y'all's defeat, so let's meet at the low, low, low bottom.
Watch the leaf coming up behind you. So, Ruben, you're about to climb that one, are you?
Yep.
Nice.
Very,
So,
Hey, almost there, man.
slowly and methodically.
So you see me make it, alright? No. I was gonna watch you laugh. I'm not laughing.
Which one is it?
You made it.
Three, two, one.
Oh,
What the?
fucking rainbow on my face. Okay, to be fair, at least this is like actually decent. This like is so decent art.
Okay. This is it? Stand a little. There you go.
I'm ashamed.
3, 2, 1.
I'm ashamed.
What the fuck? Wait, it's actually not that bad.
I know.
It's actually not that
That is impressive.
We niced you up.
I'm impressed.
You should be.
I'm a bit confused, but I'm impressed with it.
Then graffiti.
Then fucking Frankenstein.
Yeah, man.
Oh shit! I'm going backwards.
Oh, hell, man. Let's go,
I am work. We're actually going on.
Yeah, go on.
We're crackling.
That would have been delightful.
So spindly.
Feel pretty much there.
Apparently it tastes better.
How are the Pueblos too? They're a bit dirty.
Jim's in behind enemy lines. There you go, darling.
Thank you, my queen.
The longer the sausage, the better.
Hey, Joe. That was caught in 4K.
Oh, come on, a couple inches of You know what I say?
Top there and use that.
A wiener a day will keep Oscar away.
There you go.
3, 2, 1. Epic.
Yep, sweet. That should be
And then, because you've worked so hard, there'll be a little bit of like downtime to hang out.
Let me pop my cool.
Getting on Gucci, bro.
Let me see your
Cookie Watch 733. A bond was formed almost instantly. We hiked round Davies in the heat. The cutter, starry sleeping, can't be beat. 57 knot winds and emergency tows. Some spicy sailing, that's how it goes. The giant Rimu at Kumatoto helped us to ground and prepped for solo. Our epic Tane tramp over a Puri peak, rocky spurs, humongous views, and oh so steep. We learnt about leaders and practiced it well. It felt like winter, but no snow fell. Rock and Anakiwa Falls tested our nerves, but Zumba revealed all our curves. Marathon Day finally came true. They all made it and brought Petra home too. Always early, a delight for me. Cookie Watch 733. Come on!
Yeah, man.
Oh, it's okay. And again with that.
Thank you.
Sweet, thank you.